Paano kung 60 years old ka na at gusto mo pang magtrabaho pero ayaw na at pinaretire ka na ni employer mo? Answer, disclaimer muna friends. Sources of information is from research, no? O ito na po yung research natin and sagot sa tanong kanina. So retirement at age 60 is not automatically mandatory for employees in the Philippines. So hindi ibig sabihin friends na age 60 na tayo ay mandatory na tayo na mag-retire sa company. Hindi po. 60 is generally optional retirement age. Optional retirement age lang po yan. 65 is generally compulsory retirement age. 65 po ang mandatory or compulsory retirement age. So, pwede pa rin tayo magtrabaho kahit 60 years old pa tayo. As long as hindi pa tayo 65. Alright, so let's continue. Retirement at age 60 can be mandatory only if there is a valid retirement plan, policy, CBA, contract, or the employee voluntarily enters an early retirement arrangement. Ayan po. So, pwede po na mag-retire tayo at age 60 provided po mayroong valid retirement plan yung company. May company policy, CBA or Collective Bargaining Agreement, or employment contract, nakalagay doon na age 60 pwede na tayo mag-retire, tapos may retirement pay yung company, or the employee mismo ang magsabi na stop na siya, na mag-work, age 60 na siya, and then he opted to retire optional. Pwede yan. Pero kung gusto pa ni employee at age 60 magtrabaho, pwede pa yan, ma'am and sir. Kasi hindi pa man siya compulsory retirement age na 65. Pero in the absence of valid retirement plan, policy, CBA, or contract, hindi po tayo pwede paalisin ni employer. Hindi po tayo, dapat may consent, may voluntary po yung retirement natin at age 60. Kasi nga, meron po tayo mga friends na gusto pa magtrabaho hanggang 65. Ayan. Right? So, if ever na talaga si employer, pipilitin kayo mag-retire at age 60 and ayaw nyo po, ang tawag dyan is illegal dismissal. Alright? So, when say illegal dismissal, hindi, violation po yan sa labor code. So, if ever na may violation si employer, refer your concerns sa lawyer or abogado. Or punta kayo sa DOLE or NLRC. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.